do the present ballast water filters properly work? Because they have to be tested according to IMO at 50 milligrams per liter. But in Shanghai harbor, for instance, the mud concentration, the TSS concentration in the water can be 1000 milligrams per liter, which is 20 times more. So will these ballast water filters work under these severe circumstances? We put a large quantity of this mud into water at different concentrations, and we see if the filter can actually cope, keeps on working till it reaches the 1000 milligrams per liter. And this week we are testing Filtersafe, one of the well-known companies for ballast water filters.
Our filters worked very well during the Shanghai test. All tests were passed successfully. If you're interested in any results of the test and insights, please contact us anytime.